Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I am going to show you how to replace the battery in your car key. This is a relatively simple process, but it's definitely worth watching. Before you get started, you'll need a few things. A new battery for your car key and a flathead screwdriver. Open the key fob. This can usually be done by prying the two halves of the fob apart with a flathead screwdriver or a coin. Once the key fob is open, you should be able to see the old battery. Use the flathead screwdriver to pry it out of place. Make sure that the new battery is inserted with the correct polarity. The positive side of the battery should be facing up. Once the new battery is in place, you can close the key fob by snapping the two halves together. Make sure all sides are closed. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel for more helpful tips and tricks. And don't forget to hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks again for watching.